72-mile route between Settle and Carlisle offers without doubt one of the most spectacular railway journeys in the British Isles. The majestic viaducts and sweeping curves have a beauty of their own that blends perfectly into the natural landscape. On a fine summer's day or amid the winter snow, it's a privilege to be able to savour from the train window the rugged contours of the Yorkshire Dales with their dry stone walls and scattered farms, a landscape that has barely changed since well before the railway was built. The S&C is, not surprisingly, high on the list of preferred routes for steam specials, with several tour operators making it possible to relive the railway experience of former days. And then there's the freight, which very much provides a 21st century dimension to this line. Opened as a through route in 1876, the Settle and Carlisle was built with long-distance traffic in mind, and until the 1960s, prestigious trains, including the Thames Clyde Express, used the line on their way between London and Scotland. It was a busy freight route in steam days as well. Some turns remained steam-hauled right up to the final year of BR Steam in 1968.